I remember as a young girl going and doing demo on jobs with my dad in flooring. My mom used to lay cove base. I've been around flooring my entire life.
I have a lot to bring to the table, so my voice needs to be heard, and I have the right to share that.
We've got to focus on the people, their talent, and their brains, and their passion.
We have the skill set, we have the eye for it, and in this industry, detail can easily be missed.
There's equal access in this line of work. I'd like to see more women doing it because I think that they're really good at it too.
If you're open-minded, if you like to have discussions, if you call it like it is, believe in yourself.
I would say it's a rewarding industry. You can see the difference of your work every day.
Building a knowledge base is a great place to start. Something like this can boost your confidence and push you forward. And you don't have to figure everything out at first. It's just step by step.